else is there to do, bro? Like, it's already nighttime already, so I think, what do you think is going on in the news? Like, were there supposed to be a hurricane coming? I have no idea. Well, I think we should watch the news. I mean, do you want to watch the news? I mean, like, what could go bad? I mean, yeah. I mean, let's, why not watch it? I mean, if you guys want to watch it, yeah, I will. I'm not sure this and how bad it's gonna be. We'll find out about it. Well, let's see. Alright, I'll get the controller. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna go here. So I'm gonna go take the controller. Oh, give me that, bro. Give me it, bro. Controller. It's not that hard. Give me. Okay. So, see. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see what's. Alright, so you say you wanted to watch the. I'll put it off for you guys. Let's go on YouTube. I'll show you guys. Let's go to library. Yeah, let's go. Yes, that one. Let's see. Oh no, no! Stop with the ads. Gosh. All right. Let's see.
Tropical storm, Helene, we knew this was going to happen. It was just a matter of time before this system down in the Caribbean, which was known as potential tropical cyclone number 9, would gather enough organization, enough intensity.
Whoa, what? Is it going this way? I don't know. I have no idea.
Mexico. Visible satellite imagery, you can really see that deep convection still on that eastern side, or that right
What is
side.
this even all about anyway?
We just didn't have anything, very little going on.
I don't know.
That's the difference that
Well,
you're seeing today.
let's see.
You're starting to see more of that convection developing in and around this system, kind of filling in. Hurricane Reconnaissance Plane, they've been flying in this system almost non-stop.
Wait a minute. It's coming in Florida, is it?
Right where you can see
yeah,
it's
coming over here.
Continue to watch the system take over the next, say, 12 to 18 hours, really starting to organize itself. Now, just prior to all of this, it was that upper level low sitting over the Yucatan, which was giving us more of that west and southwesterly wind shear, so kind of just blowing the top of the storm off. But you notice as the loop goes on, you can see the shade here kind of going away. So you're seeing it is starting to lessen with that wind shear. And as this works its way to the Yucatan, channel up into the Gulf of Mexico. Notice up here, much higher winds in the atmosphere. And then you also have very warm water, so a lot of conditions that are very conducive to see this not only strengthen, but that there's that real possibility that we could be talking about a rapidly intensifying hurricane as it works its way through the Gulf of Mexico. Not something.
All right. Well, so what do you guys want to eat? So what you guys want to eat? Me, I'll take maybe a goldfish. Yeah. Me, I'll take maybe some Chips Ahoy or something. Me, I'll take I think I'll take some Actually, to take some chips. Actually, why not? Yeah, nah. Well, okay. I'll go get it, guys. I'm gonna go get it. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna go get it, guys. So, see you guys right back. I'm gonna go get it. Oh, it's so dark in here, bro. That's better. Let's go get snacks. Bro, why are you laughing back there? You know, whatever. I don't know what's that. It's probably, I don't know. So what they wanted. So they wanted, bro, why is it laughing? I'll ignore that. They wanted, let's see, bro, where's the muffins? Where the heck is the muffins? I don't see, you know, whatever, I'm gonna check back in the storage room, I don't even care. Alright, it's just so dark. I mean, it's supposed to be dark, it's our, turn on the light, bro. And the light doesn't even turn on. Dang it, man. Hold on, yeah, let me... give me the light. That's much better. Okay. So get the snack. Alright, let's see what they want to eat. Let's check. Oh gosh, it's dark here again. Okay, where's the light? The light. Alright, there we go. Let's see what they want to eat. Oh yeah. So he said he wanted muffins. Give me that. Give me the muffins. Oh. So said he wanted muffins. So he said he wanted muffins. Huh. Well, let's see. And that Screech, I think he wanted goldfish. Yeah. You get it. You get it. Ugh. Gosh, so hard. There. Now, let's see who wanted, and actually, I'm kind of thirsty. I mean, even though we got water in the room, I'm kind of thirsty, so... Yeah, let me get a water. You know, big water. Give me that. Gosh, it's so hard. Okay, give me that. Okay. Bro, what's this? Oh, shit. And the water just fell. Wow. Well, looks like in that. Let me go get the Chips Ahoy. Actually, I want to get the Chips Ahoy, so let's go get it. Let's go get it. All right, you know what? Let me see if you got any Chips Ahoy. Let's see. Let's see here. It looks like there's no Chips Ahoy in here, so I think Screech that there's no Chips Ahoy in here. I think it was Figure, I don't remember, so the check. Okay, I got the Oreos. So okay, I'm gonna take this right now. Alright, there we go. Let me take all of these snacks and water to the room, so I'll see you when yeah, so alright guys, I bought you your snacks, guys. You see, I bought you some Oreo, I bought you some goldfish and this. So who wanted goldfish? I think it was that big screech over there. Let's see. Okay, let me take it to you. Okay, so you said you wanted goldfish, right? So you said you wanted goldfish, right? Right? Okay. So yeah, you said you wanted goldfish, right? Right? Screech. Yeah, I wanted some goldfish. Well, here's your goldfish. Enjoy. Thanks. Alright. Get the next snack. Alright, so, they said they wanted Chips Ahoy. Me. I wanted Chips Ahoy. Okay, tell me. So you said you wanted Chips Ahoy, right? Yes. Well, sadly, there's no Chips Ahoy, so you have to take the Oreo. So, sorry. It's okay. I mean, I do like Oreos. You know that. Things look so good. I know, right? Yes. Okay. Alright, who wanted chips? Because someone wanted chips, and I haven't even found any chips, so probably they don't have it. So, so you gave me free, so you said you wanted chips, right? Yes. Well, they don't have any chips, so you have to take this. I mean, yeah, that looks good actually. So yeah, I'll eat it anyway. Okay, I'm gonna put the TV back on. All right, it's time to put the TV back on. That controller. Give me that controller. Give me the controller. Give me the controller. It's not that hard either, bro. Give me the controller. Okay. So, so yeah, there might be a news coming in Thursday, so we'll have to prepare for that. Actually, I kind of want to watch maybe some Bunnier dude or something, or maybe that same dude from like ending last time. I think it was on a Sunday or something. I mean, I don't remember. So, let's see. Let me see. So we're gonna put let's see. Actually, let's watch Matthew Tomlinson again. Hopefully, there's no bad words. Wait, actually, hold on. I didn't know how to get in their channel. I have to go down here to find. All right, there we go. Let's see. The prize or something. I don't know what's that, bro. Bro, what the heck? I kind of watched the plushie version of the Battle for the Money Prize. I mean, you guys want to watch it? You guys want to watch it or no? Sure. Why not? Yeah, me too. Yeah. Let's see what's good, actually. Yeah, why not?